Okay, good morning, everybody. Listen, guys, I'm so sorry that you can't be with us because we actually planned something very cool today to make, and this is a thing called a lap book. Now, you will have a title page, and then you will have all these interesting goodies on the inside. Okay, I need to explain to you how to do this. First of all, in your activity package, you will get one of these, and they are all in the order on how to use them. So the first thing you're going to do is this little paper, my math notebook. You have to paste it in front. You will also get a cardboard file like this. You paste it in the front. You can color it nicely and write your name on. Then you turn to the first page, and inside you will get one of these. Okay, there's my title page. Let me just take this away. Then you will get a nice rainbow colored booklet like this. Now it works like that. You lift up the flaps. Okay, so what I did is, first of all, I pasted it. Go as close as possible to the edge of this file. Otherwise this thing won't fit in. Okay, so make sure it's nice and tight. Only the back side needs glue. Don't put glue anywhere else because you need to be able to do this with your little booklet. Okay, next thing is you will have a paper that looks like this. Now you have to cut out all on the outside dotted lines. The halves you have to cut on the outside. Do not cut it into separate pieces. You have to have those strips. And what you're going to do, I started at the bottom. The 12s, you do it this way. The 12s you will paste on the bottom of your purple paper. Some of the papers are a little bit brownish. Okay, so make sure that you do it all on the edge of the purple paper so that it can stick out underneath the blue. The blue should not cover it. The next one is your 10th. So that will be on the blue paper. And just according to how you find them on this page, you're going to paste them from the biggest number to the smallest. So it will be 10th, 8th, 7th, 5, quarter, third, halves. And then I just pasted the one hole at the top to show that each one of these papers are actually one whole paper. Okay, I think you will get the hang of that. And then inside your booklet, let me just take these away. Inside your booklet, you will have 3 of these things. Now, I hope you can see over here. Let me just move it a little bit. You will see 3. But they're not all 4. I had 4 choices. Okay, there's circles, there's rectangles, there's hexagons, and there's also pentagons. So I don't know which one I've put in your packet. It doesn't matter. What you do is you first cut out on the outside black solid line. And then what I did, I took my ruler and I just bend it on the dotted line like this. And I did it on that side as well. Okay, and then I've put glue only on the middle part where the little boy is standing. And then I took my scissor and I cut these flips open. Alright, they should not be pasted. They need to be able to be lifted up, because later in the week on my video I will show you how to do that. And I've pasted this one, and then I continue with the rest of the stuff, and when I got to these spaces I carried on with the other 2. It doesn't matter which way you're going to do it. Okay, as long as you paste them the same spaces where I've pasted it, otherwise the stuff won't fit in. Then you will see you have a paper like this. It's number lines. Now, also late in the week, I'll show you how we're going to do these number lines. So what I did, like an accordion. So I took my paper and I turned it upside down. And I made sure that I could see the solid line of the second one. And I just put it on that solid line. Then I turned around my paper and I went, make sure the solid lines are on each other. It's almost halfway of the white one. Then I turned it back. Okay, halfway. You will see the previous one sticking through, and then last one just fold it till the end of the paper. Alright, and then you paste it like that. So that's why I said you need to make sure it's as close as possible to this one, so when you fold, it's still on the left hand side of my fold. So you need to be able to do this. Okay, because we will do that later in the week. Then you will see there's a paper like this. You cut out all on the solid line, also those two smaller pieces. And what you then do, I also use my ruler for that. I then took my ruler and I folded it on the dotted line like this, and I folded on the dotted line like that. And the same as you did with the fraction, guys. Just underneath that solid line you put glue, so it's little flaps that can open. So you will see lift up numerator, you're going to paste the number of parts selected. And underneath denominator, you're going to paste the number of equal parts in the whole. We will discuss that also later. Okay, and then you guys can paste the next flap as close as possible to this edge, and then you guys would have a thing that looks like honeycomb. Just cut all around the solid lines. There's not a wrong way of folding it, as long as when you open it up like this. I pasted one of the hexagons onto my flip file, my lapbook. Excuse me. The one hexagon I pasted on the flapbook, so you have to fold it so it can close like an accordion as well. And on the outside you're going to paste types of fractions, and when you open it up, it's improper fractions, proper fractions, and mixed numbers. There is a blank one, doesn't matter, I wanted the title to be at the top. And then you have to paste your last flapbook. There you go. And then you will see you have a little pocket like this. You just cut on the all around the outer edge of it. And this flap you are going to fold backwards, that one backwards, and it will look like this. And then you just put glue on the flaps on the back side, and it will make a little pocket like this. Then you have at the back of your little packet, you have all these different color circles. Please don't keep it like that. You have to cut it out, that you have all those circles, because throughout the activities of the week we are going to handle those. If I just can go inside, you will see I've got all my, oh, I left, it must be here. Where did I put all my other circles? It must have fallen out. Anyways, all my circles that I cut out, it's all the way from a half to a 12. Okay, and you cut them all out and you put them in your little pocket, and there you go, all settled. So this is the stuff you are going to do first thing. And then, due to the fact that you guys received your packets only on Tuesday, you were actually doing Monday's work. So if you have time on Tuesday, you can start with Tuesday's work as well. And I will send you a little video to explain. And there we have our lab book. So I want you guys to bring that lab book to me to school, because we are going to use it next week as well. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.